Welcome to our stunning property just southwest of Sun River and easy access to mountains, rivers, and lakes. Let's go check it out. This one-level Northwest-style home exudes quality and features a great room floor plan with vaulted ceilings, exposed wood beams, hardwood floors, and stacked rock fireplace. The kitchen is a terrific space with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, high-end KitchenAid range and hood, subway tile backsplash, large pantry, and knotty alder cabinetry. The spacious primary suite has a more modern fireplace, dual vanity with granite counters, large walk-in closet, and wood-themed tile shower. The den/office affords ample space to work from home or enjoy a quiet retreat. The outside features a covered paver patio, hot tub, lush landscaping with irrigation, and a large 4-car attached garage with heating on one side. So come see this special property today. Reach out to us to schedule an appointment.